We are on the air now with the third video in our series. So I know what you're all thinking. Is there another way to write the equation of a parabola? Funny you should ask. Funny you should mention that. Yes, there is. You could write it in the form y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. And just like before, it's the same a as we had before. And if a is positive, we have a happy parabola. If a is negative, we have a sad parabola. The advantage of writing it this way is that whatever h and k are, that's automatically our vertex. Our y-intercept is going to be ah squared plus k, and I get that by plugging 0 in for x. And here's an example of how that works. If we look at the equation y equals x minus 2 squared plus 5, so we see that a equals 1, which means it's going to be a happy parabola. V is automatically 2 comma 5, so that's our vertex. We got it right away. The y-intercept is going to be 1 times 2 squared plus 5, using that same formula, which is 9. And the x-intercept, well, the x-intercept is going to be h plus or minus square root of negative k over a. And I'll let you figure out how I got that. You set y equal to 0 and solve for x. Anyway, we get 2 plus or minus the square root of negative 5. And negative 5, as you know, is not a real number. So that means there's no x-intercept on the graph. Anyway, here's our graph right here. It's a happy parabola. The y-intercept is 9. The vertex is 2 comma 5. And as you can see, it never touches the x-axis. So there is no x-intercept. Yay!